Ready to showcase your skills at India's biggest skill competition? Register now for IndiaSkills 2026-27 in just a few simple steps. Visit the Skill India Digital Hub and log in or register as a learner using your mobile number and enter your 10-digit mobile number. Verify using the OTP received. Create your secure 4-digit account password and log in. Complete your Aadhaar-based e-KYC. For IndiaSkills registration, OTP-based e-KYC is recommended. Open your dashboard and select IndiaSkills 2026-27. Choose Individual Participation and click Next. Fill in your personal details carefully and proceed to the next section. Enter your address details and confirm your participating state before continuing. Complete your education or employment details, review the information, and submit your application. Congratulations! Your IndiaSkills 2026-27 application has been successfully submitted. Get ready to compete and showcase your talent on the national stage.